Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you will have to turn it off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds, like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the appeared menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Cache Partition, and then confirm it by selecting Yes, and after you see the message Cache Wipe Complete, that means that cache is already wiped and you can restart your device by selecting first option Reboot System Now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.